video here, but I just wanted to put this out because this is something I found today, and I thought it was really interesting, and it works really well. So what it is a lot of you guys, you have your data plans. If you're on Sprint, you have your unlimited data like me, and the thing is, what happens is you don't have the hotspot plan, so you're not able to create hotspots. So what I went out and found was this application called Foxfi, which basically lets you, use your phone as a hotspot. And the thing is, it doesn't like go into your what do you call it, bill. So it's never going to show up in your bill. It's not going to add any other charges. It's all the same stuff. So the way you get it is pretty simple. If you're on like T-Mobile, AT&T, Verizon, you can just go into the Play Store here and search Foxfi. But I'm on Sprint, and Sprint users, it's different because Sprint has blocked it off. So you're going to have to go on the internet and find it. And I've provided the link in the video description. Here's the link right here. You're just going to click download. It's most likely not going to work the first time, so you want to click it again, and it'll download, and it'll come up here, right? Okay, once it's done, basically Foxfi, it's what I'm trying to say here when I said about, like, how it's different with Sprint is Sprint has blocked it off from the Play Store because they don't want it happening, but that doesn't mean that they're going to charge you for it. None of the companies are charging you. So because I've checked my bill, and I know other people who have this who've also checked their bill. So once you have it downloaded, you can go here and find Foxfi. Now all you have to do is, you have your network name. You can put a password if you want, and you just click activate hotspot. It's going to verify your internet connection, and it's going to take a couple, about 5 seconds to start your hotspot. And then once it's started, it is started. We're waiting on it here. Okay, there, it says hotspot activated. Now, I know a lot of people are going to complain about this already, but as you can see here, the thing at the top right there, hotspot activated, that is actually the Sprint hotspot that's activated up there. But the thing is, it's not going to actually show. Here, let me just turn this Wi-Fi off. It's pointless. I don't know why I have Wi-Fi on. And that Sprint hotspot that was there a second ago, let me turn that back on, sorry. Just turned off on its own when I turned the Wi-Fi off. But the thing is, that Sprint hotspot, that thing that showed up right there, that's not going to do anything that's not going to, charge your plan at all. I've tried it, I've tested it, it won't relax. I know it's a problem, it scared me at first as well, but it's not going to do anything. And, you can change your name or whatever. But also, I want to point this out. On HTC devices, it is a little different. Your Wi-Fi, this Wi-Fi, activate Wi-Fi hotspot thing at the top might not work. I don't know if it does or doesn't. For some it does, for some it doesn't. If that doesn't work, all you have to do is click this activate Bluetooth done thing right here, and just use Bluetooth on whatever device you're trying to connect to, and it'll work. The Wi-Fi will work through the Bluetooth, and it should work from there. So that's basically Foxfi, and that's the end of the video. I'm actually going to turn it off. It does not use that much battery, I noticed, because I actually, I watched a whole movie on my friend's iPod, and, it used up about 20 to 25% of my battery, which was not a lot at all, because, this is a hotspot, and it does generally take up a lot of space, but in this instance, it doesn't. So, yeah, Foxfi, guys, go check it out. Have fun with it.